All right. Let's take a break. Let's keep it straight. AI in architecture, it is a tool, so don't be fooled. Model, code, workflow integration, AI assist still need validation, fast output, check the foundation, the human in loop. That's the operation. Operation. Open the set, start coordination, clean sheets, tight organization, AI scan, flag deviation, egress path, ATA verification. Clash in the model, clash detection, fix it early and avoid correction, track submittals for each section, cut RFIs, reduce the tension, detection, correction. Model, code, workflow integration, AI assist, still need validation, fast output, check foundation, human in loop. That's the operation with integration and validation. Prompted right, clean generation, bad input, hallucination. Looks correct, wrong information. That's a real risk. And documentation with a permit set that needs coordination. Not replacement, augmentation. Speed and scale, not elimination. That's experience, qualification, augmentation, elimination. Model, code, workflow integration, AI assist, still need validation, fast output, check the foundation. Human in loop, that's operation, with validation and integration. So, all right. Learn with me, build with me. The real validation for real application. Subscribe, integration, workflow, real coordination, and stay in the operation. Thank you.